Just then you can talk to us. Based on what everything you just told me makes no sense.
Then the lady thief realizes which neighbor called and told on her.
This motherfucker, he sat here and watched me.
Who?
He did. Look, he lives right there. He's outside the whole time.
Yeah, that's who called. Stop yelling at me.
That's so...
Vinder, Georgia, 10:30 at night. A woman walks out of a house that is not hers. She has a bag. Officers are already at the door.
As they get closer to the main house entrance, they see a lady quickly exiting from the garage.
Excuse me, ma'am. Winder PD. Yes, ma'am. We got a call that nobody was supposed to be here at this house.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
And who was that girl from?
One of the neighbors.
They should be here all for today.
Yes, ma'am. Can I ask your name?
Sure, it's Laura.
Laura?
Yeah.
I got you. What's your last name?
King.
I'm sorry, it was Laura what?
King.
King, you said you come here all the time?
Yeah, I mean, they've been gone for a while.
Yes, ma'am.
And I was having to, like, pack their stuff up and stuff like that.
Okay. So is that what you were doing in here now? You were just helping them pack their stuff up?
I've been here probably, like, maybe 2 hours.
2 hours? Okay. Do you know the homeowner's name?
It is Ruth.
Ruth what?
I can't remember her last name. I think it's Martha, and they call her Ruth. I call her Ruth.
Her name is Martha and you call her Ruth? Okay. Okay. So you were just in there packing up today?
Yeah.
I got you. So if I give the homeowner a call, she'll know that you're here?
Yeah.
I got you. Do you have her phone number where you can contact her?
I don't.
So you haven't been in contact with her?
No, I mean, she had left a note, and I come over and I look for the key. She was going to leave the key here. And so I got the key and went in and just going to start cleaning.
You got an ID on you?
Yeah.
I do.
Okay. Go talk to the next one.
I got you. Homeowner.
Oh, Lord, maybe 3 months ago?
3 months
Three
ago?
months ago.
Maybe.
3 months ago.
So
3 months ago, you talked to them, and she said you're fine to come in here and do your thing.
Yeah, I mean, and they haven't even been back.
Well, that doesn't make sense.
Where was the key at?
Oh, right there.
How did you know the key was there?
Because they told me.
They told you 3 months ago?
I mean, I had come over here. She said you could come clean and stuff.
Is there anybody else in the house right now?
No.
All right.
I'm going to double check the house.
Well,
We can't, but we need numbers, yeah.
6 dispatch, can we get out of the unit? Ma'am, go and put your stuff down for me.
Yes. Put it back down.
Right now you're just being detained, okay?
Okay.
Just based on everything.
Yeah.
Ma'am, go put your stuff down for me.
Yeah, here. Yeah, put it back down.
Right now you're just being detained, okay?
Okay.
Just based on everything.
Yeah.
You had a frick in the house. You had a frick in the house?
The key is right there. The key was right there.
Hey, stop.
Yes.
160 dispatch, one detained. Can we get someone to come on Nancy Street, please? Where's your ID at?
It's in that thing.
It's in this little wallet. Can I look in your wallet and get your ID? Okay.
You got anything else gonna stick in the poke me, hurt me? No, but the knife.
She cannot name the homeowner. No phone number. No note. Georgia Code Title 16, Chapter 7. Unauthorized entry with criminal intent is burglary.
To get a hold of the actual homeowner as the lady continues to plead her perspective.
Have him call the neighbor or the owner right now, confirming that no one's supposed to be in there.
He doesn't have his phone on him right now.
Do you have a number?
It'd be different if I wasn't trying to lock up.
So well, basically, you haven't talked to the homeowner. Right, never mind, just then you can talk to us. Based on everything you just told me makes no sense.
Then the lady thief realizes which neighbor called and told on her.
This motherfucker, he sat here and watched me.
Who?
He did. Look, he lives right there. He was outside the whole time.
Yeah, that's who called. Stop yelling at me.
That's so f***ed up.
That's f***ed up that a neighbor's watching another neighbor's house?
No, but why would you sit there?
Hey, no more talking. Zip it.
Why would he sit there and watch this? I sat here.
Stop. Just stop.
They sat out there and talked for hours.
Anything about mail, his shorts and hoodie?
So we just got her coming out. I briefly saw a shadow. I don't know if she's with anybody or not.
I mean, I just think they're like,
Yes, if you don't mind. Come on. Well, I know.
That's
it's very. I got her stuff, like the hoodie and stuff.
I got you.
She had jewelry and stuff in the pocket.
All right.
This is him on the phone right now.
Okay.
Hey, Bobby.
Yeah.
You on speaker so you can talk to him.
You're taking your report, but still.
Okay.
That's your caller in the driver's
Y'all want to ask him anything?
Hey, it's Officer Dutcher, Weiner Police Department. Yes,
sir.
So, what's the name of the homeowner here?
Martha is the homeowner. It's my mother.
Martha. I got you. Are you the one who normally looks after this place?
Yeah, we've been trying to get it cleaned up so we could sell it. I had to move her up here because her health got so bad. I'm in Dahlonega.
I got you. Do you know, is there anybody else that's supposed to be in this house at all other than, you?
No, sir. Me, my mama, that's it.
Me?
And yeah, of course, our neighbor over there, he's a good fella.
Okay.
So you didn't give anyone permission to come in at all?
No, sir.
Do y'all have like jewelry and watches and stuff inside?
She had some fake jewelry and some different stuff inside. Yeah, she had a lot of different jewelry in the back bedrooms. We'd cleaned most of the other stuff out, but she did have a little bit of stuff left.
Is there anything else of value in the house that, we need to be on the lookout for?
No, not that I know. We had cleaned, like I said, we'd cleaned most of it out. There was just some minor stuff in there, nothing major.
What did she say how she got in?
So it looks like she broke one of the glass or the little plastic pane and just reached her hand in and unlocked it.
You're all around by it.
This right here.
Right here.
Yes, sir. Well, I just want to confirm.
The key is gone. The note does not exist. The homeowner's son confirmed on speaker. No one had permission to be there. He requested charges be filed. The broken glass panel established unauthorized entry. That act alone completed the burglary charge. Under Georgia Code Title 16, Chapter 7, no theft is required. The charge attached when she reached through that panel and unlocked the door. The rings in her pocket established theft by taking as a separate count.
Do you want to press charge?
What actually happened, and it seems the more she talks, the more laughable her cover story gets.
Yeah, we'll get the rest of your stuff. Okay,
if I was going to take stuff, I'd have my whole day.
This is the lady's. It was on the floor in my patrol car. She said it belongs to the lady.
Yeah.
She just had it in her pocket because she moved it and was cleaning it. I read her Miranda rights already, and she agreed to talk.
Cool. Appreciate it.
I mean, if I was trying to steal stuff, I would be loading my damn
Do you have any
vehicle
personal
up or
belongings
something.
inside there?
No, just my purse that I'm bringing out.
Just your purse. The jewelry that's on your wrist or anything, is that
No, I don't
yours
have
or not yours? You don't have anything?
No. I mean, if you need to pat me down, you can.
Well, I did that already, but we'll check in and see. Okay. Since you just have rings appearing.
Well, I didn't do that.
Yeah, what about all those rings in your pocket? Whose were those?
I was wiping down in the kitchen, or I was clearing away in the kitchen.
Okay.
And then just stuck them there, finished what I was doing. I would put stuff in the room,
What room?
like their room.
Okay. And who's they? Who's the homeowners again? What's the male's name?
I can't remember his name. Her name is, I believe it's Sue.
Okay, because
They
you told
call
us. Go ahead.
I call her Sue.
What about Martha that you told us originally? And then there's another name.
I think that her full name is Martha.
Because it's 3 different names you told me so far. What's her husband's name?
I don't know her husband. I was just talking to her.
Just talking to her?
Yeah.
Several months ago.
Yeah, 3 months ago, right?
A while back.
Okay. So what made you randomly out of the blue, since you haven't talked to him in 3 months, show up to the house?
I've been coming over here sitting.
You have been?
Yes, and you know, he sees me today.
Hey, I know. He didn't see you at all. He saw the lights on in the house.
How'd you get in the house?
The key.
Where's the key at?
It was up under the thing I showed you.
There's no key there.
Where's the key at
You
now?
took the key.
I didn't take the key.
It had like a key ring on it.
What did it have? Was it like a?
It's like a long silver key ring.
And was that in your pocket? You said.
Yes, that was.
Okay.
And then there was a watch or something I think you left out.
Yeah, there's a watch in there. Yeah, there's no. I'll go double check, but there ain't no key there. So it's been 3 months since you physically, or you've talked to the homeowners. You said several months. Okay, so several months.
A while.
So you've been coming back and forth. You said, right?
Yes.
Was there any damage to any part of the house? Was there any damage to any part of the door that you recognized? Was there anything that was out of the ordinary that may have been? You thought that was that's weird. That wasn't there before. That you've been coming around here so often.
Not to my knowledge. I mean, everything looks pretty much the same.
Okay.
And I would come and sit and wait to see if somebody would, come home.
Why would you do that?
To talk to her, to come on in the house and finish cleaning up and help me pack and stuff.
Help him pack?
Yeah,
Okay.
because a lot of the stuff's, packed up.
Not really. Not too much.
I mean, there's not a lot in there.
If you've been coming for the last 3, 4, 5 months packing and doing stuff.
I would say I've only come maybe twice.
Only twice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then so what time did you get here tonight?
About 3.
About 3 o'clock?
Maybe 2 or 3.
What time do you think it is now?
I thought it was about 9 or 10.
Okay. So you've been here for, 6 hours?
Yeah, and I was just hanging around, and I was like, well, let me go ahead and see if the key. And I got the key. I mean, they said I touched it.
All right, I'll go double check, make sure the key. But you didn't notice anything wrong with the door? Nothing missing from the door? Nothing broken from the door?
That glass thing was missing, but...
When did you notice that? Because I just asked you that. You said no, everything was...
I know that's what you're asking about, but I didn't notice it at the time. It didn't strike me as odd.
So when I just asked you if anything's been broken, missing, out of the ordinary, you just said no.
No, I didn't really pay attention to it.
Were you under the assumption that you could take all the jewelry and stuff? Because if you're just here packing and cleaning...
No, I was under the assumption I'm going to wipe this down and take this where it goes. And just run home and get a little something. That's why I was locking up for dinner, and I was going to come right back. I wasn't under any assumption.
She waived Miranda and agreed to speak. Under Miranda versus Arizona, that waiver makes all subsequent statements fully admissible. She gave 3 different names for the homeowner and changed her account of the entry method. Officers did not extract those inconsistencies. She volunteered them after a valid waiver. Laura King, burglary in the 2nd degree and theft by taking 1 month in jail. 5 years of probation. Officers get an A. They verified before acting and called the homeowner on speaker before any arrest. Laura King gets a D and the lesson. Burglary is an entry offense. Complete the moment she reached through that panel.
At all.
In the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, here. Put the bag down.
Right now you're being detained, okay?
Okay. The key was right there.
Hey, stop.
This motherfucker, he sat here and watched me.
Who?
He did. Look, he lives right there. He's outside the whole time.
Yeah, that's who called. Stop yelling at me.
That's so f***ed up.
That's f***ed up that a neighbor's watching another neighbor's house?
No, but why would you sit there?
Hey, no more talking. Zip it.
Why would he sit there and watch this? I sat here.
Stop. Just stop.